Hey, what is going on guys? Techthusiast here, and this is my unboxing of the OnePlus 6T. Okay, so let's dive right into it. I was able to pick up the OnePlus 6T from the London event today. Okay, so with the top removed, we have the phone, which I'm going to put aside so we can see the rest of the contents. So we have a smaller box in there. And inside there we should have a few things. Yes, they have the TPU case included. That's definitely a plus for me, so the phone doesn't get damaged in any way. In there is another box, and it just shows you that OnePlus have put a lot in their presentation. Okay, so let's open this up, and I'm sure we know what's going to be in there. So inside we have the usual, the safety information guide, the SIM ejector tool, as well as the instructions. We got some nice stickers here and another red leaflet at the back and a small card. And here we have a little card that says an invitation letter. This is from Pete, the OnePlus CEO. I'll put that aside so we can get to the rest of the contents. So we have the same red USB-A to USB Type-C cable. And we have something new here. And it is a dongle. It is a USB Type-C to 3.5mm headphone jack. As you know, the OnePlus 6T doesn't have a headphone jack, so they've included this adapter. And finally we have the charger, and I believe it's called the Warp Charge now due to changing the name from Dash Charger. And this should be faster than the previous generation as the amperage has been increased, and I will be testing the charging speed in another video. Okay, so I'm going to give it the first boot, and I'm going to forward the video here so we can get straight to the important bit. And I just want to show you how the in-screen fingerprint reader registers. Okay, here we go. Just click on next. Time to register the fingerprints. If you look at the middle of the screen, you can see the progression of each of the fingerprint taps that you are making, and you get an idea of how long it's going to take. It may look a bit slow, but obviously this is different to the one that was at the back, so you will need to do it a few times. And there is a message saying that it did detect the same position, so I have to move it around so it gets the whole print correctly. Now it's asking for the edge prints, and that's only to increase the accuracy of the unlocking. So just another few more times and that should unlock the phone from different angles. We should be nearly there now. Okay, we are in. So the last bit of setup, the gesture bit, I will leave that alone for now. Skip this, and yeah, so here we go. Let's try out the in-screen fingerprint reader. Okay, so it seems it wouldn't unlock when the screen is off, so you have to turn it on. Okay, that looked fast. Let's try that again. That is pretty fast. And just one more time. Yes, that is fast. So a very good job by OnePlus. So on the top you can see their new teardrop notch, and if you pay close attention you can see there is a pre-applied screen protector. So yeah, thanks for that OnePlus. And at the back there is no fingerprint reader, and you have the dual camera setup. On the bottom, as I mentioned earlier, there is no more headphone jack. Just dive into the settings. As you can see, it is a different layout, and this is because it is on the latest version of Android 9 Pie, as you can see here. So good on OnePlus for coming out with Android 9 Pie. And this is the Huawei Mate 20 Pro, and as you can see the size of the notch on the top, the OnePlus 6T has a very small notch, and there will be comparison videos between these two phones, so make sure you are subscribed. So that does it for this quick unboxing. If it's your first time here, then please do subscribe, as there will be more videos coming up, including camera comparisons and speed tests. So make sure you have your bell notification enabled. Please do follow me on Twitter and Instagram, and like always, thanks for watching, and I will catch up with you in the next video.